The JST260P polycrystalline 270 watt 60 cell solar module, manufactured by Just Solar, has a high module efficiency, which guarantees power output. It also comes with self-cleaning coating glass, which reduces surface dust. This not only decreases the maintenance costs, but also increases the generating capacity. This product has outstanding low irradiation performance results and excellent module efficiency, even in weak light conditions, meaning you get the highest results wherever they are installed. This, combined with high mechanical strength and a snow load of up to 5,400 Pascal and a wind load of up to 3,800 Pascal, assures durability and longevity of the module. A -0 to +5 watt positive power tolerance guarantees that this model's rated maximum power performance will be conforming to the stated specifications. These modules have been installed around the world, in Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Oceania, Europe and America, meaning wherever you are, we can deliver to you. Certifications with these models are the industry standard TÜV, and they also conform to key European customer quality requirements with CE and RoHS certifications. This, combined with 25 years performance warranty and 10 years warranty on materials and workmanship, gives you added peace of mind when choosing these. Payment with this product are 30% TT in advance and balance before delivery, or 100% LC at site. We also offer a project design and installation service to cover whatever your needs may be. And we have a dedicated 48-hour response customer service support to answer any questions you may have. Just Solar Company Limited designs, manufactures and sells solar cells, panels and systems for worldwide customers. Here at Just Solar, we are a one-stop solution provider for all our customers' sustainable power needs. We harness the power of the sun and are committed to providing our customers the best solar products and solutions for long-term and sustainable commercial, industrial, rural and domestic energy needs. Total reliability, high quality and standards, timely delivery and expert project management assures our reputation will stay with us throughout the years. Just Solar firmly believes that long-term customer satisfaction is the determining factor of our success. To continue meeting the changing needs of our valued customers, Just Solar is committed to creating value that increases and enhances customers' competitiveness in its industry, as well as providing a high standard for superior quality products and value-added service.